Today we're learning the simple present tense. We use it to talk about habits, routines, and facts. We'll learn when to use it, how to form the verbs, and how to ask questions. Let's begin. I wake up early every day. I drink my coffee on my way. She works in town from 9 to 5. He drives to work and feels alive. Water boils at 100. Birds fly high above. The earth moves around the sun. These are facts we know and love. Use it for habits, things we repeat. Use it for facts, things that are complete. If it happens all the time or something that is always true, that's when we choose this tense to use. Present simple, here's the way. Subject plus base, verb every day. I work, you work, we work, they work. Simple, clear, and easy, but he works, she works, it works. At S, remember please, he runs, she writes, it plays. At S every time. For he, she, it, don't forget, that's the present simple line. Most verbs stay in basic form, just the base, that is the norm. I walk, you walk, they walk. To the base verb works for most of you. But after he, and after she, and after it, remember carefully, we add S or sometimes ES. Watches, goes, fixes, yes. No one here, no past before. Just the base verb, nothing more. Except for he and she and it. That's where the S will fit. Present simple, here's the way. Subject plus base, verb every day. I work, you work, we work, they work. Simple, clear, and easy, but he works, she works, it works. At S, remember please, he runs, she writes, it plays. At S every time. For he, she, it, don't forget, that's the present simple line. Now let's learn to ask a question. Here's the rule and here's the lesson. Use do or does at the start. That's the way to form that part. Do you work? Do they play? Do we study every day? Does he work? Does she write? Does it run fast every night? After does, the verb stays base. No extra S in that place. Present simple, loud and clear. Now the patterns in your ear. Habits, facts every day. That's the tense we use this way. I work, you work, we work, they work. Simple, clear, and strong. He works, she works, it works. Now you know the song. Do you work? Does she play? Now you know what to say. Present simple every day. Sing the rule your way. Now you know when to use the simple present. You know how to form the verbs, and you know how to ask questions. Sing it again. Practice every day, and grammar will stay with you.